How to change the colors in the background in Adobe Photoshop. So first, in order to change the background colors for the results, choose a color at the get-go. So if you make a new project in Photoshop, there's an option to choose a custom background color in the new document menu. Use the background contents drop-down menu to choose the hue you want when you start adding elements on top of this layer, and your unique background color will already be in place. Then you want to also adding a color to an existing image. So to change the color of the background of an existing design that already has a transparent background, you need a few more steps. To create a new background, select the Layers panel, choose the new filter layer and right-click the solid color. Name your layer and select a color from the palette window that appears. And this how you can basically make background changes easy. Because the image has no transparent background, you can just change the background colors using a layer mask. And if using layer mask are a versatile tool, you can use it in all sorts of ways. Like you can edit backgrounds with layer mask and make using selection tools, using the select subject or the try object selection tool, or just select and mask, even has a paint with a brush tool, and those are how you can add background color to your Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications